What's up, everyone? Check this out, the GIGABYTE B650I AORUS Ultra. This Mini-ITX motherboard is absolutely packed with features, and it's all about maximizing performance in a small form factor. Perfect for those insane small form factor builds you guys love. First off, it's rocking the AM5 socket, so it's ready for the latest Ryzen 7000 series processors. That means you're getting cutting-edge performance right out of the gate. And don't even get me started on the 5-year warranty. GIGABYTE is showing some serious confidence in this board. Now, memory. This thing supports DDR5, which is huge for speed and future-proofing. Plus, it's got both AMD Expo and Intel XMP support, so you can easily overclock your RAM and squeeze every last drop of performance out of your system. The power delivery on this little beast is insane. We're talking a direct 8+2+1 phase digital VRM solution. That's a mouthful, but basically, it means super stable power delivery, even when you're pushing your CPU to the limit. And the 12-layer 2x copper PCB just adds to the stability and overall quality. Speaking of quality, GIGABYTE has gone all out on the thermals. You got an extended VRM heatsink with a heat pipe, fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, and even an M.2 Thermal Guard 3 with active cooling. Your components are going to stay cool and happy, even under heavy load. Trust me, thermal throttling is the last thing you want to worry about. Connectivity? This board has you covered. PCIe 5.0 support, a PCIe 4.0 NVMe X4 M.2 slot, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DP-Alt. You're ready for anything, whether it's high-speed storage, next-gen graphics cards, or connecting all your peripherals. And let's talk about the Easy Latch system. Swapping out your M.2 drives is a breeze thanks to the quick release and screwless design. No more fiddling with tiny screws. It's the little things, right? So, who is this board for? It's perfect for anyone who wants a powerful, compact system. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who wants a high-performance PC that doesn't take up a ton of space, the GIGABYTE B650I AORUS Ultra is definitely worth checking out. It's a premium board with a premium price tag, but you're getting what you pay for. Top-notch performance, excellent features, and that peace of mind with a 5-year warranty. Seriously, this thing is a beast in a tiny package. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.